G'day Yi, just a little video showing your Stargate board has been repaired, and I'll just give you a rundown on what was done. This particular board had quite a few issues, unfortunately. Now initially what I've done on this particular board is replaced all the sockets. So all the 4116 RAM sockets have been replaced, including the decoders and also the processor itself, and also the header pins have been replaced on this board. As you can see now, it's running. This is the game running Robotron. But fault-wise, had quite a few issues, unfortunately, so I'll just quickly run through them. Initially, the board wasn't running. Processor was just watchdogging. So a quick check at the reset circuit, and all the clocks were present, but looked like because the actual RAM was not running, it's causing it to reset. So on that, with the 4116s, that was to do with the strobe. There was a problem there with the incorrect signal, and that was a chip, I think it was an 08 from the top of my head, that I replaced there. But we still had quite a few issues, and that was to do with the addressing. So the actual 4116s were not being addressed. So that was actually turned out to be the 153s. Of the 4 153s that address the 4116s, 3 were faulty. I actually replaced all 4. Normally if I find 4 ICs, or 3 ICs out of 4, I replace a lot. After that we had problems then with, although the 4116s were now being addressed, the rug pattern was running, but still did not proceed any further. It would run up to rug pattern and basically freeze. That turned out then to be problems with the actual shift registers, the data shift registers from the 4116s, and again there was 8 of those, which are these particular ICs here. I think there was 4 or 5 of those were faulty, so again replaced the lot. So that then had the board back up and running again. Now, just with your Robotron, that's that one there. It is working, running, but again, it needs all the IC sockets have to be replaced on this. It is a bit flaky, so, and that is just basically because of the sockets. I noticed the ribbon cable has been replaced too. I don't know who did that for you, whether you did that or someone else, but I'm a little bit suspect even of that, to be honest. I don't know who's done that, but I'd check that one as well. And again, the header pins also need to be replaced on this particular PCB as well. This one, actually, the Stargate board was actually missing the ROM6, so I pinched that off another board, but I'll end up probably just reprogramming another one. It won't be the same problems that are used. I'll just use a different type of PROM and a different adapter board I've made up, but works fine. Anyway, game's running, so I'll get this to you for your New Zealand meet. I'm going to try and give this to Dylan to take over, or see if I can find someone else. If you need me to program Stargate, just let me know. Cheers, you.